Hello, my beauty. I bought fake eyebrows. So many of my viewers and people in my groups and Instagram and wherever they pop up in ads have tagged me in these and said, please do these, Michelle. You have to do these. So I bought every single one I could find and I didn't shave my eyebrows. Now listen, you know I'll shave my eyebrows. I'll shave my eyebrows. I'll shave them. I shaved them. I will shave them again. But I also got my eyebrows tattooed, so it wouldn't really do any good. Do you want me to shave my head? I'll make it up to you. I'll shave my head. Just say the word. Give me a like. If I get 1,000 likes on this video, I'll shave my head. Which one should I do? Which one? They all look great. Don't they all look fantastic? Let's just pick one. I'm gonna assume that you put these on the way you would put on a tattoo on a child. Doesn't that seem like something? I better be careful moving my face or I'll mess up my fake non-brow area.
I'm not crying. I'm pretty sure I got glue in my eyes.
This has a measurement. I have no idea what it means. That's great. That's helpful. It came with no instructions. I mean, I wouldn't have followed them anyway, but it didn't come with any, so I don't know what I'm doing. Should we do 2 different eyebrows? One on each side? Definitely. Mainly, I'm trying to find out, does it fit? That's the first thing, don't you think? I'm feeling like this big one is caterpillar-y and way too big. That's too big for my face. But this one seems like maybe it's right. Yeah? What do you think? Let's do it.
I'm excited.
Peeled off the backing.
Oh, I'm gonna need a mirror.
Oh, that's not right. Where's it? Yeah, okay. Do I get it wet first? I don't know. I've got a little bucket of water here. I literally have no idea what I'm doing. I'm gonna get it wet. It's gonna mess up my fake non-brows. It took me like 5 hours to get those things right. And they still aren't perfect. Hey, this feels like the right thing to do. But you know when you were a kid, you'd also get the outside wet? Is that just me? I'm gonna do that too. Harder than it looks. Harder than it looks. I need a spray bottle. No, spray bottle wouldn't be good. You're right. Spray bottle would mess everything up. And now it's just, let's press it.
Press it real good.
Okay, and then how when you were a kid, you'd just cheat a little bit to see if it actually worked?
It definitely is not working.
The 3 layers of makeup that I have on to pretend like I don't have eyebrows may have been a bad idea. I'm not positive on that one yet. I feel like everything's good. I feel like this should be right. What do you think? Shall we try it now? It did work! I gotta try it. Hang on. It actually worked. Sweet! Maybe I got it up a little bit too high, but I'm digging it. I'm digging it. Now we want to get a totally different eyebrow now. We're gonna save these for another day. Possibly. What do you think about these? These look kind of like, you know those little leaves you would get off the trees in the spring, and you do that and you'd call them a helicopter plant, and whoever's landed first won something? Mostly just bragging rights, I think. So no helicopter plant on my brows. These are kind of a little too mannish for me. Way too mannish. But these, I think. These don't have quite the arch that this one did. We've got to find the right size again. This is gonna be way too giant. Too giant. Is that one may work. Which would make sense because this one was the 3rd from the top. Now let's try it again. Oh no, that's massively too big. But this one looks too much like the helicopter plant. Oh, I like this one though. Let's try this. They're all kind of different. That didn't work. I think they're all exactly the same size. I'm gonna measure it. It's about the size of this. Yeah, they're all the same size. So is that my imagination that I thought they were different sizes? This time what I'm gonna do, I've got the answer this time. I'm soaking this whole thing in water. The adult version of tattoos, I figured it out. Why did I never do this before for my kids? Soaked. I'm smart. But not too smart because I did the wrong side. All right. We're not going to waste it. So 2 rows of eyebrows.
This is normal.
This is normal for me. We're going to just leave that one there for a minute. Because I wanted to do the other side. Okay, this is right now. Soak it. Brilliant. Brilliant. I have all the great parenting hacks. Perfect. You want to see if this one's done? It's done. Oh, no, it's not. Trats. That one needs more pressure.
Under pressure. Under pressure.
Let's try it now. I messed that one up. Sad. This one's going to get all the pressure. But it's pretty cool to have 2 rows of eyebrows, don't you think? I feel I already messed this one up. I didn't! I didn't mess it up. What do you think? I know I said I wasn't going to do the umbrella ones, but they are, see? They're bigger up here than they are down here. But I can't tell where they stop being. Where's the...
Doesn't matter.
Ear of elephant. Dip it in water. I just saved you years of time standing with the washcloth over your kid's hand doing tattoos. Let's do this one right here. Water's dripping down my face. Pressure. I think that's the key. Not just water, pressure. Don't forget that when you do these. We ready? You're ready. That one's really good. I would be happy if I had eyebrows like that. Let's do a mustache. Let's find that manly one and do a mustache. Oh, yeah. That? Need that. That wasn't long enough. There we go. Pretty good mustache. We gotta do the other side now. Don't go away. Not you. You can go away, but I don't want you to go away, but you can go away. I was talking to the mustache. It feels like it wants to go away. I'll press harder this time. Like, break a tooth hard. I've got plenty. Don't worry. Oh, they're not even. If you'll stay all the way till the end, I'll take all this off and do it on actual brows. I know this wasn't what you expected. Or was it? I hope it was. Let's try it the raw way now. I'm gonna do this really cool arched one. It's a little bit too big for my face, but I'm so close, so I've got to do it. Yeah, it was just a little bit too big.
Nothing to see here.
We're gonna blend it. No, that doesn't work. You just really have to use eyeliner, because that's what's in front of me. That's bad. I think the key is finding the exact right eyebrow. I messed it up. I think the key is to get the exact right size. This one was too big, and remember that I just had 3 inches of glue, concealer, and foundation on my face. This could work in a pinch. If you don't have eyebrows at all, if you have very sparse eyebrows, this could work in a pinch. I don't know how long these would stay on, but they're like $1 a sheet. You could save them for special occasions. Make sure you get the right size put on. What you think? Could I pull this off? Don't none of that. I can't pull that off. I just mean, could we pull this off? Could we make this work? I think we could. I actually don't think it's terrible. I'm going to give this 3 mascara wands.